Okay, so now we get into managing people. This is a crucial part of your role as project manager. Every day, every single day, you are going to be working with people. You're going to be negotiating. You are going to be resolving conflict. You are going to be working with vendors. You are going to be presenting to senior management on one thing or other. You're always going to be working with people. And so you need to know how to work with people. You need to strengthen your negotiation skills, your communication skills, because there's a lot that's involved when you're working with people. Emotional intelligence, you need to understand that people have different personalities. Think back to organizational behavior when we talked about personalities. You need to know how to deal with people of different personalities. You need to know how to implement different motivation strategies. How do you motivate your team to do better? How do you constantly keep them engaged? You need to be really good at communicating, because with communication, you can convince people, you can negotiate with people, you can de-escalate situations. Knowing how to communicate with different people in different situations really helps you become a better project manager. So I hope you can see that working with people is something that forms almost the biggest part of your role as project manager. You're always going to be working with people. You're always going to be communicating. So as much as you can, really try to understand personalities, really try to better your skills at communicating, at understanding how this person communicates and how can I communicate with them. Okay, we'll stop it here and we'll see you on the next one.